Good morning, everyone. My name is Aravinthan from Tanjavur. My state is Tamil Nadu. I am MSc Data Science and Business Analysis graduate from Bhattanam College of Art and Sciences, Coimbatore. My project is a property future price estimation using machine learning and forecast Power BI. One of the most price focused and constantly variable market is real estate. It is one of the best areas to use machine learning and Power BI concepts, improve accurately forecast and cost. Predicting real estate properties market worth is aim of this article. This approach assists in determining market trends and value ranges and upcoming innovations, futures, upcoming schemes and can be predicted. Developers, mortgages and lenders and real estate investors need to predict future of property prices with accuracy. In this paper, a new method for a property price prediction utilizing Power BI and time series analysis is presented. Real estate introduction. Real estate investment stands as one of the most significant financial decisions individuals and organizations undertake, with property price serving as pivotal indicators of marketing dynamics and investment opportunities. The ability to accurately estimate and forecast future price is essential for more stakeholders to make informed decisions and mitigate risks and capitalize on emerging trends. In recent years, the advent of machine learning techniques has revolutionized the field of real estate analytics by enabling the analytics of vast data sets, identifications of intricate patterns, and prediction of future trends with unprecedented accuracy. Methodology. My methodology is data on past real estate data like that property ID, sales data, sales price, property type, area in square footage, areas such as cities and neighborhoods or zip code, property conditions, and another one is demographic data like the density of populations, average family income, education level distribution by age, and sectors of employment and trending market trends. My software and tool is my software is machine learning, Power BI, and time series analysis and forecasting. My tools are Power BI, Microsoft Power BI, Jupyter Notebook. My block diagram is I clearly explained the rest of the block diagram. This is the starting from the starting to model deploy. First of all, we should do implement the import the data set to the uh, Jupyter Notebook in machine learning, and import the dataset also to the Power BI dashboards, and train the dataset model and get the linear regression value and test the dataset and build a model and build a deploy model and get the output. Thank you.